Hello everyone, welcome to my very first video with my vocal on the vast internet. So I decided to start making short videos like this to share what I do, what I'm doing, what I'm learning, or some cool new techniques. Well, it's not new, but as a beginner to code, it's pretty new to me. So what I did, I just used some basic CSS properties and notice what's happening in here. When we hover over an image, the size is reducing a bit, right? And it gives this nice hover transition. I'm using CodePen as my editor so that we can type our codes and see the results at the same time. Within HTML, I just took some images directly from Unsplash. Now let's delete some CSS so that we can recreate the transition. For the layout, I used CSS grid. Well, I'm not talking about any of this grid or layout thing. We'll just see how we can get the transition back. So we'll target the images with hover. Let's put an image selector with hover. Now the property we'll take is called transform. Now you can remember when we were hovering over the images, the size was reducing, right? So the property should be scale. And within this scale value, we'll put the size we want. We're putting 0.9. That means instead of the actual size 1, when we are hovering, the size will be a little less than 1. And that is 0.9. Now let's see the result. Well, basically we're done. But it's not smooth, right? So for making it smooth, we need to take another property within the image selector, and it's called transition. And what we'll do with this, we'll set the time it will take for the transition. So let's make it 0.3 second, okay? Now if we hover over the images, it will give us a smooth transition. And that's it. It's just these 2 lines of codes. But for making it more visually appealing, we'll cover the images with a filter called grayscale. So within image selector, let's put filter property, and the value will be grayscale. And for hover, we'll disable that filter. So filter, none. Boom, we made it. See? Okay, so thank you very much. If you're still with me, I'll put the link of this pen with the video. I very much appreciate your appreciation. Let me know what you think, if you enjoyed or not, and if I made any mistakes or something, since it's my very first appearance. So thank you for today.